Yes, people. Thought I'd come over Sandwell Valley. Me and Josh come and do a few laps. Ain't gonna lie though, proper windy. Just go and have a run on the red. It's too windy, man. Tell you what though, the shock feels a lot better. Fair play. Everyone's here, to be fair. Lucky, innit? First time finish. Oh, the wind's dropped. Let's have a little. Yeah, that rebound does. The rebound does feel a bit fast. Drop in. Just these first couple here. That's it. A lot better. Yes. Oh. Right, the first two are mastered them first two jumps. I'll hit this one there. Another. A lot better. Woohoo! So you just keep repeating it and I'll get it. Fair play, Steve. That got me then, that did. Mate, if I'd have took off then, I'd have ended up on the blue trail. Oh shit. See, I fucked right up then. Good, Josh. Mate, I want to master this red run by the end of the day. Come on then. Oh, wind's died there. Oh, fuck off. Oh, did the wind get you? That wind's terrible. Did the wind get you back there then? I thought it was just me. And then Steve gets a sound run. Dropping it on the book.
As long as you do the first jump, you're alright. When you up into this roller, that's it. Laughing, look at that.
Josh, you fucking mad. Can't wait to get that good on a bike. Where's my... Hang on. have a little bash at the red. It's a bit windy today, man, so it's just killing it. Better, better, better.
What are you doing over there now? You're alive.
Nah, I won't allow myself. I'll bail off the bike.
A couple of inches shorter, you'd have gone over.
Nah.
Wouldn't it?
Nah, my 29ers would have saved me.
I'd slow it down, man.
Oh, you just... fair enough. Oh God, Josh, it feels... Mate, that felt foreign, that did. I've done exactly the same thing on Boyden's 125 on his KTM. I jumped off my 350, and you know, because it's so light, I was expecting it to come up with me. The bike just disappeared. You're right. I can't ride that.
Do the blue one.
Nah.
Don't kill yourself on the
No.
red.
It's too light. Good. Shame about that wind. Shame, innit? Oh, this feels like it's slow now. Fuck off. Oh, this feels like it's slow now.
Honestly.
Mate, come on then. Yeah, should be a nice video for you.
I like the ones on the doorstep.
Yeah, them good, isn't it? You know what we should do,
You know,
actually?
you get back home when you're 8
Do you know what we should do, actually? You know, we've done this, right? We should start it in a couple of, like, that urban bike park, Burlish, and you know, Northampton as well.
and just video that off.
Yeah, yeah, just start incorporating it into the riding. Go on then, let's have a blue run.
You got four.
Whoa! See, I don't know where you're gonna... Whoa! Literally, as you was about to take off, the wind come. Mate, literally as you took off, I was about to take... Mate, it just ruins it, doesn't it? Do you know what? I was thinking the same. he was literally about to take off. That wind is murder. Yeah, I'm going to bring my kids here. Decent run for them. Josh wants to go home. He ain't best pleased with the wind. First table you come to, I seen you was preloading. So you was preloading and literally as soon as you went to hit it, the gust of wind just took you. I'm glad I stopped before it did, man, because I'll just be right behind you, honestly.
I just tensed up, man. I was like, fuck.
Dead sailing. You following me?
I'll follow you.
You following me? Want to see how the pros do it?
You want a video of yourself?
You want to see how the pros do it? Is that what it is? Whoa! Ah, you fucker! Oh, mate!
Yeah.
Am I following you? Or you following me?
No, I'll follow you.
Following me? See how the pros do it?
You want a video of yourself?
You want to see how the pros do it?
She'll like it here, yeah.
She'll love it. And Brooke will. They both love it here, to be fair.
I will be looking
To what, sorry?
I won't be enough to weave in and out of that.
I want the fence there. Yeah, mate, skills kills.
I know, man.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it though, to be fair. I can imagine what it's like on a day that's not windy.
I think there's more trials at Northampton as well, more
Yeah.
blues in there. Yeah, he's putting me
With that?
from now again.
Me and Jo-
What the fuck did
Me and Joshy boy just had a little run over, what is it? Sandwell Valley. That's it, man. Home time now, it's too windy. But been a good day though, nevertheless.